Hey, Westy Window Wagon, new products. Today I'm rocking the Ninja Toolbox. This is cool. I'll show you what all it comes with. The sweetest part is you get the carbon fiber pole. That's right, carbon fiber pole. Actually extends out pretty darn long. For route work, it's perfect. Got a nice grip handle, Unger tip. I'm also rocking, this is a T-bar it comes with, Ninja T-bar. Got the click release to lock it in and out of swivel. And the 14-inch Ninja, same way with the lock, swivel, or lock in place, green power rubber, smart clips, super nice squeegee. But check this out. World Enterprises bucket on a belt. Fits the Ninja, fits wide body channel to hold 3, not 1, not 2, but 3 wide body channels. Also has the strap tie around, it's not flopping all over. And the new surgical towels, man, these things are nice. That's what you're gonna be seeing in the future. Really nice, I've used them a couple of days now. They work great. You can see, nice and thick. Westy Window Wagon, new products. WCR, hit me up. Text, call, DM, you name it. I do answer the phone. I do answer the phone.